Hello, welcome to ClockShark. I wanted to briefly show you how the software works, that way you can get in here and get started right away. Here I have the mobile app and the Who's Working Now page. And to get started, it's pretty simple. Just download the ClockShark app and press the clock in button. You'll see here that I've popped up and now I'm on the clock and currently working. And now you'll see a few other options open up here. Pause button for unpaid breaks, stop option to stop the clock, and an option for your crew to add notes or attachments to their timesheet. By default, you'll receive locations for clock-ins and clock-outs. Once clocked out, you'll see I've now disappeared from the Who's Working Now screen, and that means my time card has been created and it's going to land here in this View Timesheet screen. From here, we can see these different yellow time cards, and if we click on a time card, we can then drill down into the details. This is the time card it just generated for you. Hopefully that gives you a quick understanding of how the software works. We're here to help you get the most out of ClockShark, so please reach out to us via phone, email, or chat anytime with questions.